Mia. Try that one again.
She's in shock.
And again, Mia. Hello, Mia.
Yes, you are. Go right ahead, please.
That's right.
Very good. Hello. She's a bit tired.
Hello.
Oh no.
Hello. Hello.
Mia, come on.
Look at here, baby.
Wow.
Hi, princess.
You're so brave.
Hello. That's so good.
Thank you, Goofy. Bye. Oh, yeah.
When you live in the country, everybody is your neighbor. Oh, this is one thing you can deny.
Well, I'm all come to see, never, never, ever leave me singing. Y'all come see us bye-bye. Y'all come, y'all come, y'all come, y'all come. Y'all come to see us now and then. Y'all come, y'all come, y'all come, y'all come. Singing, y'all come to see us now and then. Take it
Well,
well.
my name is Tumbleweed. Well, I'm a cowboy from Kentucky. A westerner all right through and through. I am mighty glad to meet you. Country folks know how to treat you. Come on, welcome to our backyard barbecue. Y'all come, y'all come, y'all come, y'all come. Y'all come to see us now and then. Y'all come, y'all come, y'all come, y'all come. Singing, y'all come to see us now and then.
They call me Cyclone Sally and I come from Twister Alley. I roll to road and custom too. We're here to entertain ya and we really couldn't blame you if you never wanna leave our barbecue. Y'all come, y'all come,
Y'all come, y'all come. Y'all come to see us now and then. Y'all come,
y'all come.
y'all come, y'all come. Singing, y'all come to see us now and then.
We've got a band of music and some fancy songs to teach you. Disney pals are here to welcome you. The cowboys are open and the grills are really smoking. And Mickey's Disney backyard barbecue. Y'all come, y'all come,
Y'all come,
y'all come.
y'all come to see us now and then. Y'all come,
Y'all come,
y'all come.
y'all come.
Singing, y'all come and see us now and then. Y'all come, hey! Give yourselves a hand!
Aw, y'all did a great job. Thank you so much.
All right, that was more fun than skipping rocks, but you know what? I believe it's time we welcome our special guest star this evening.
Oh, in order to get him out here for our dance party, we need to do that Fort Wilderness good time yell on three.
You betcha, here we go! 1, 2, 3! Ah, here he comes up yonder! Go along and sing a song, join the tambourine. M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E, if you love. Take you out. Friends are living, so they're high. Come along and sing a song, join the tambourine. M-I-C-K-E-Y, M-O-U-S-E. Let's hear it for Mickey Mouse! All right, well, Mickey, I see you got all fancy fried for the barbecue this evening. I mean, you're looking pretty good.
You sure are, Mickey. And just look at all the folks who joined us
right. But speaking of friends, Mickey, I thought you were going to bring some of your Disney pals. Where'd they go?
Yeah, I saw Miss Minnie out back earlier. She was chatting with the gang. Now, where is she?
I do believe she wants a Fort Wilderness good time here all her own.
All right, well, let's give her one on 3. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that did it.
Here they come.
Here comes Minnie right now. She's bringing along Chip and Dale.
And Goofy. Make way for the Disney gang.
Oh, my. Look at the custodian there. She's adorable.
She's the prettiest cow mouse ever did see.
Come on in, guys. Oh, looking good. Oh, yeah. Looking good.
Well, let's hear it for the Disney gang. All right, now that we
Turn your TV off, break that boombox out. We'll wake up all the neighbors till the whole block hates us. When the cops show up, try to shut us down. We're gonna be a home party. We're gonna have a house party. If you wanna be a home party, we're gonna have a house party.
See if we get this one dancing a bit. Mia, Mia.
Show on Disney property where we insist you get good
opportunity to thank the folks that served up the grub this evening. We like to call them Backyard Barbecue Good Time Slingers, so go ahead and make some noise for those girls and boys. How about it?
Thank you so much.
And one more hand for Cowboy Trevor.
Sorry to interrupt Halloween cycle, but I was thinking since we're all gathered here for pictures, maybe we could just sing one more song.
That's a good idea. What you have in mind, Miss Margot?
Well, how about Happy Trails?
All my favorites.
Here we go.
Happy trails to you until we meet again.
Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then.
Who cares about the clouds when we're together? Just sing a song, bring your sunny weather.
Happy trails to you till we meet again.
Everybody now.
Happy trails to you until we meet